Jonah, what are you playing with?
With the kitty. When he gets bigger, he will drink some milk.
He's gonna drink milkies?
Yeah.
Can we go?
No, because he's not after.
What does the kitty do? Oh, is he talking?
Oh.
What are those?
Kitty, you got pink pug because they look old, Kitty. They look old.
Oh, they look old?
Yeah.
Why do they look old?
Because we gotta change those because they're very scratchy.
Oh, they're scratchy? That's why they're old?
Yeah.
You like this kitty? Oh, look, he's moving. Oh.
Kitty, we gotta go. We gotta go find some more kitties. You want of some more kitties? You want mommy and daddy and mommy?
Yeah?
We will go find your family.
We're gonna find the family?
Yeah,
Where's his mommy and daddy?
and Bobby.
And where is his Bobby? Bobby's grandma?
Yeah, where they go?
Where did they go? Here, ask the kitty, where did the mommy and daddy go?
They went over there. Oh, he said they went over there.
Should we go find the other parents?
They went over there.
Okay, should we go find the mommy and daddy kitty parents?
Yeah, because
Let's go try to find their parents.
we will find
That is so cute.
kitty.
We're gonna find the parents? Okay, let's go find the parents.